If I was a boy, I get out of the day. I get up in the morning. I'll So in this special video, we're gonna play some Osu, the best game in the world. Today, I got some good shit for y'all to buy. Now this fridge, wet like my Now this fridge is kind of old, 1,000 yens, I don't know what yens are. Now let's take a look inside. Now this is where I keep all the good shit, yeah. And some ice cream, yeah. Now here, where I keep all my Mountain Dews. Now this fridge is the most expensive of them all. No, sorry, a small loan of $1 million. It was on Twitter.